Welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Solana. I just wanted to show you on the daily here, still working on this third wave in green. You can see we have a wave 1 and a 2. It looks like we only have 3 waves for our third to complete right now. Still pretty far away from this point of breakdown we've been targeting for a while. I'm going to go to the 4 hour, which is just the third wave. So I'll remove that, and you can see this is all the third wave. Currently it's been holding very nicely in this pitchfork, and now expecting a larger correction here down between, I'll go to the 4 hour, between 59.19 and 87.77. We'll be able to nail these targets down a little better once this B wave is complete. Like so, looking for a equal leg of the A off the B once it completes. We can't target that yet until we get that B wave complete. But if you watch my previous videos, you know I was discussing whether or not this fifth of the third is complete. I do now believe it is. We're looking very weak. We do have divergence here on the top of the third. So my most likely primary count right now is that we get another leg down between 60 and 87.77, and hopefully hold within this previous fourth wave, whether that's on top or in the middle, unsure yet. So let's go down to the hourly. I'm not in this trade yet, but I'm looking to take a short. So there's our top of our third of our third. Remember, we're looking for a fifth wave after the fact to make new highs above this third. But right now, just targeting a 1-to-1 ABC. Now this area is a little bit difficult. I actually have this as a leading diagonal, as a ABC, ABC, ABC. Reason being is we didn't make a new low here. We basically double bottomed. But if this was all the correction to the upside, we would have gotten 5 waves down here rather than 3. And it didn't come low enough to be a flat. So we needed to make a higher high. For this to be an ABC, and this was just a 3 wave, we needed this wave to break above here. Reason being, we didn't break below here, so it can't be a flat pattern. Hopefully that made sense to you if you are versed in Elliott Wave. But as of right now, we have 3 waves to the upside, 3 waves to the downside. So I'm considering this is probably going to be 5 waves as a C wave. And we have our A, B, looking for that 1-to-1 extension to the downside. Whenever that pivot ends, we can pull from it. And we can get a better idea where that target will be. But can't do that till this wave completes. So as of right now, expecting 5 waves to the upside for our C wave. Looks like we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be a second 1, 2 potentially. And then we get our 3, 4, 5, 4, and 5 before we look for a trade to the downside. But there's a couple different ways to trade this. What I'm going to do is probably take a little bit of a snipe on the top. I'll probably trade this in 2 different ways. Once we reach the 1-to-1, this 1-to-1's at 109.64 on linear and 109.16 on log, so pretty much the same target. I'll probably open up a short right in that area, stop at the previous high, targeting. Again, I won't know till that pivot is in where I'm targeting, but I'll probably take a short like that to begin with, about a 2.5 to 1, and then I'll leverage up once I get a clean move to the downside. So this all depends what happens in this area. If we start to sell off quick and I see 5 waves in that micro count, I might leverage up here and move my stop down. I've done that several times. So next move I believe is to the downside. That's my primary. Obviously this count can change if we break this high, but as of right now, I'm pretty bearish on Solana just for the next little bit, just for this wave to the downside. But this will be a pretty excellent entry to the upside afterwards. If you like my videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll make sure to update this in real time as I decide to take my entries. If you want all that information, I cover quite a bunch of different cryptos on this channel, so feel free to like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want the updates right away. Thanks for watching.